There's that family mart.
That's like
Oh, that's so cheap.
That's $2. I was like, what the hell?
Then I'm gonna get one of these. Pixie spicy salmon seaweed. Alright, I'm gonna take the chicken now. You wanna try it out?
Oh, good.
On our way to... Flavor's very strong, but
How do you find it, brother? Yeah, I agree. Flavor is really strong.
yeah.
So right now, I'm eating a strawberry sandwich. Looks very yummy. Very excited. I don't think I opened it properly.
Day 2.
Yay.
Osaka. This man's finally better.
I had food poisoning yesterday, so I didn't really get to see Japan until now, but it's quite refreshing, it's nice, I feel a lot better.
More family mart. Get ourselves a warm drink. Welcome to...
It's beautiful.
Don't use thinking.
It's really hot.
There's the scum looks like.
I'm gonna take this.
We'll have Nelson's taste review.
Let's see how it is.
What does this mean? Doesn't it melt in your mouth or something? That's what I heard.
Not a bit.
Do you want to look at shrines and stuff?
Yes.
There's one that's really close by.
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5.
We're not lost.
We're lost.
Just exploring.
Such a big train station.
Third day. We're going to the deer park today. Nara Park. But we were just stopping by to get a bit of breakfast before we head out.
Oh my god. Oh god.
Instant noodles for me. Something hot though. I reckon this one. What's this one? Mushroom?
Yeah, that looks healthy for you.
I'll get mushroom.
I don't know what to get. There's so many options.
Let's get another one because they haven't restocked anything. So.
Oh.
It's empty.
I am getting a hot drink. Gonna get a chai. So warm.
Get a drink as well.
And then I'm gonna get a
Awesome.
yeah, it's nice and warm. Family Mart meal.
Yeah, I was about to do that.
Why do I need this much volume in this container? Wow. It's my favorite food. Down here, guys.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Yay! Aw, so cute.
It's cute. Want to go first? I need to get my wallet.
I need to get my wallet.
That's cheap. Not that good. That's like $3.
Bow to this one. Oh, because it knows you've got some. Hands up.
Sorry, I just used the knife. So much softer than like.
So,
Where's the other jacket?
Lawrence, where are we right now?
We're on the top of Osaka Castle.
Oh, we are.
Hey, we're on top of the world.
So what are we playing right now, Jin Jin?
Spot Bennett and Adrian.
That's right.
So we just finished up at Osaka Castle. It's all the way up there. Got lots of good pics and a very nice view of the city. Now we're going to Ichiran Ramen. And then we're gonna go round one with one of the biggest arcades in the world. Hopefully you get to play lots of games. We are getting Ichiran Ramen. Are you getting this one, Ginger?
I think so, yeah. How's it? Yay.
Really yummy.
Melon bun.
Yummy mummy.
Shout out to Michelle Ling. Let's go.
Yeah, no, I was not in the line.
Whoa!
With this one, I'll tell you what to do. Swing.
Oh! No, that would
Swing when his shoulders like move all the way up. Like now.
Whoa!
Like swing before it comes out.
Nelson, the great coach. Jin Jin, a great learner.
Now.
Jokes.
Now we're at the roller ring. Just playing around at round one. comment stream from Roger.
Nah, it's good, it's good. First time rollerblading.
It's our first time rollerblading. We're only used to ice skating, but it's pretty much the same. Japan's been great so far. I recommend everyone come round one, especially late at night after you've had a few drinks. It's definitely something you don't want to miss out on.
Escape from reality. Open your eyes.
I reckon we play one more, we could.
You keep going for us.
I'm gonna do it,
I don't like to look at that.
Let's go, let's go.
I'm not doing that. I think that was a bit hard to get. Are you really close? I don't know.
Oh! Please, please.
Please, please. Please, please. No! It's hard.
You gotta cook it again.
Stop it now, stop it now.
I think that was too early. Really? No.
I lifted it up for you guys.
I reckon this one would be fine. I'm gonna try one more time.
You got 20 seconds. Oh.
So shit.
Nah. Oh.
I reckon we can do it.
I reckon next one.
I reckon this one will be it. This one will be it. This one will be it.
Grab more of it. I don't think you should lift too early.
Too late later?
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Oh, okay. Please, come on. Oh, I've not got to work back. No, one more. Fine.
Oh no, Nelson, what was that?
Oh my god, it doesn't reach it. It doesn't reach it.
Hi. Goodbye.
Hi, Abimbi. This was a nice one.
It's got glow in the dark stars above.
I didn't actually see it.
What?
I didn't look.
I think because you always fell asleep.
Huh?
Bye, friends. Next up, Kyoto.
You can choose.
Oh, I like this one.
Same one?
Yeah. Oh, it's a new one. Ben, I'm gonna give you 1,000. Thank you. So cute.